In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Slack using Polly. We'll walk through the process step by step, so you can quickly gather feedback, make team decisions, or just have a bit of fun with your workspace. All you need is access to your Slack workspace where the Polly app has already been installed. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Apps section. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll down a little. In that apps list, find the Polly app. If it's not pinned, you can use the search bar at the top of the sidebar and type Polly to bring it up. Once you see Polly, click on it to open the Polly home view inside Slack. With Polly open, you'll see a few options, but the one you're interested in is the button or menu item that says Create a Polly. This is your starting point for building a new poll. Go ahead and click Create a Polly. This will open a setup window or panel where you can choose what kind of poll you want to run. Next, you'll be asked to select a specific poll type or template. This might include options like a simple multiple choice poll, a rating scale, or other common formats. Look through the available choices and click on Select for the type that best matches what you're trying to ask. For example, use multiple choice if you're deciding on a meeting time, or a rating scale if you're gathering feedback on a recent project. Once you've chosen your poll type, just follow the on-screen prompts. Polly will guide you through each field. You'll typically enter your question, add the answer options, and then choose where the poll should be posted, such as a specific channel or a direct message group. You can also adjust settings like whether the responses should be anonymous, how long the poll should stay open, and whether people can select multiple answers. Take a moment to review everything before you send it. Make sure your question is clear, your options are easy to understand, and you've targeted the right channel or audience. When you're happy with the setup, confirm and publish the poll. Your teammates will see it appear in Slack, and they can start voting immediately. And that's all it takes to create a poll in Slack using Polly.